Hey guys, I'm gonna be showing you my slime collection, so let's get on with the video. So here's my first slime, and my friend gave me. It's sort of like a gummy slime. I put like little, yeah, here's the slime. Got messed up. I'm just gonna show you what it is. Why I did this, because actually maybe I'll do ASMR. This one, ASMR is when I like to call this the booger one. How about you guys name this one in the comments? You guys can name this one, name this one, and you can name this one. I'll let you name, don't name this one. Name these two. These two, because I don't know what I should name them. Like Crystal, I don't know. Or, Velvet, I don't know. Unicorn, I have no clue. Just, put in the comments. Maybe I'll use your name. I'll check the comments. Yeah. So this is the best slime ever. It is very, 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 very squishy. Okay, if you guys love Shopkins, I'm doing a giveaway. And I will be giving away lots and lots of Shopkin packages. But that's if you subscribe. If you love Shopkin, I'll be giving away some slime too. But you have to subscribe. Please subscribe. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Give a thumbs up if you love it. Give a thumbs down if you hate it. I'll be doing a giveaway. So I'm going to show you this slime one more time, but I'll be doing a giveaway. So please go and check it out, the giveaway. All you have to do is just say in the comments, hashtag I want to do the giveaway, and you have to subscribe and press the notifications, and you'll get notifications. I'm going to poke this slime for you guys. I'll be giving away gold slime and silver slime. So gotta go. Bye guys. Love you guys.